Hello. Today, we're going to practice English shadowing together. Here's a simple step-by-step method to help you practice effectively. First, get familiar with the transcript. Next, listen actively and get used to the speaker's voice. Then, listen and read along at a slow speed. After that, repeat the process at a normal speed. Once you're ready, try shadowing without the transcript at a slow speed. Finally, shadow again at a normal speed and try to match the audio as closely as possible. Today's topic is food. Listen carefully and speak at the same time. Don't worry about mistakes, just keep going. Let's begin. I like food. Food is important. Food gives me energy. Food helps me live. There are many kinds of food. Some food is sweet. Some food is salty. Some food is sour. Some food is spicy. I like many kinds of food, but I have my favorites. In the morning, I eat breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast is very important. Sometimes I eat bread. Sometimes I eat rice. Sometimes I eat noodles. I also eat eggs. Eggs are simple and good. I can cook eggs easily. I drink something in the morning. I drink milk. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. I sit and eat slowly. I enjoy my breakfast. After breakfast, I feel ready. I feel strong. I feel awake. At lunch, I eat more food. Lunch is an important meal. I need energy for the day. I eat rice. Rice is very common. Many people eat rice every day. I eat vegetables. Vegetables are healthy. They are good for my body. I eat meat. I eat chicken. I eat pork. Sometimes I eat beef. I also eat fish. Fish is very healthy. It is good for my brain. I try to eat balanced meals. I eat different kinds of food. Sometimes I eat fruit. I like apples. I like bananas. I like oranges. Fruit is sweet and fresh. Fruit is good for my health. In the evening, I eat dinner. Dinner is my last meal. I do not eat too much at night. I eat light food. I eat vegetables. I eat a little rice. Sometimes I eat soup. Soup is warm. Soup is easy to eat. I drink water with my meals. Water is very important. I drink water every day. Some people like fast food. Fast food is quick. Fast food is easy. Examples of fast food are hamburgers, pizza, fried chicken. Fast food tastes good, but fast food is not very healthy. I do not eat fast food every day. I eat it sometimes. I try to eat healthy food. Healthy food helps my body. Healthy food gives me energy. Cooking is also important. Sometimes I cook at home. Cooking is fun. Cooking saves money. I cook simple food. I cook rice. I cook eggs. I cook vegetables. I do not cook difficult food. I keep it simple. When I cook, I feel happy. I learn new things. Sometimes I eat outside. I go to a restaurant. I go with my friends. We sit together. We talk and laugh. We enjoy our food. Restaurants have many dishes. There are many choices. Sometimes I do not know what to eat, so I choose simple food. Trying new food is interesting. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I do not like it. That is okay. Everyone has different tastes. Some people like spicy food. Some people do not like spicy food. Some people like sweet food. Some people like salty food. I know what I like. But I also try new things. Eating is not only about food, eating is also about feeling. When I eat with family, I feel happy. When I eat with friends, I feel relaxed. Food brings people together. Food makes people smile. Let's talk about snacks. Snacks are small meals. People eat snacks between meals. I sometimes eat snacks. I eat biscuits. I eat fruit. I eat yogurt. I try not to eat too many snacks. Too many snacks are not good. Now let's talk about habits. Good eating habits are important. I try to eat on time. I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I try to eat slowly. Eating slowly is good. It helps my body. I chew my food well. I do not eat too fast. I listen to my body. If I am full, I stop eating. This is important. Eating too much is not good. Healthy eating is simple. Eat good food. Eat the right amount. Eat at the right time. Now let's repeat some ideas. Food is important. Food gives energy. Breakfast is important. Lunch is important. Dinner is important. Eat vegetables. Eat fruit. Drink water. Cook at home. Eat with family. Enjoy your food. Now think about yourself. What do you eat for breakfast? Do you eat rice? Do you eat bread? What do you eat for lunch? Do you eat vegetables? Do you eat meat? What do you eat for dinner? Do you eat light food? Do you like fruit? What fruit do you like? Do you like cooking? What can you cook? Think about your answers. Try to say them in English. You can speak simple sentences. I eat rice. I like apples. I drink water. Simple is good. Simple is clear. Practice every day. Speak every day. You will improve. Step by step, day by day. Thank you for practicing. You are doing very well. Keep going. See you next time. Goodbye.